Alrighty, join us and step on the mower with us right now. Today we're going to do a POV shot of being on the lawnmower and how we do our mowing. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just going around framing the lawn. And what I refer to by that is that I'm just doing the outer ridges of the lawn in order to bring down the edges. So I'm just bringing out, right now I'm mowing down like right here by the fence, by the beds right here. I'm just bringing down the grass so that, well, there's quite a few benefits here. It helps to structure the work. It also helps to make sure that it's going to give me more space when I want to do turns on the property, and especially right now how it's a bit wetter today. It may not show through much on the camera, but it's a bit wetter, and when it's wetter, you kind of want to take more time and give more space to the turns, because otherwise you're going to be tearing up the grass, which is not going to be good for the long-term health of the property, and also the customer isn't happy stepping out and seeing that on every turn that you're doing there's ripped and torn up soil and grass. What you're gonna see coming up here is that there's quite a bit of space right there. That cleared out space, that green that you see, is because the person managing the blower at the moment, they blew away the leaves from the edges and away from the house and all that. And the reason that we do this is so that we give the mower space to work with, because when you're working with leaves and things like that, you don't want to have to be doing very tight turns and trying to pick and pick until you get every leaf from every corner. So the person managing the blower is really just kind of clearing out those tighter spaces so that the mower can just focus mainly on open spaces. So right here, as you're gonna see, now, well, there's not many leaves on that part, but as we come back up, you're gonna see that the person using the blower at the moment is just blowing the leaves onto the next line that we're gonna be approaching. Here we are cleaning up, and I have the discharge system open and on the dirty side so that we're just spraying the leaves onto the dirty side. I'm gonna close it now, and the person managing the blower is just blowing off any leftover leaves that are staying on to the mowed side that I've already passed by. Now here we are, just doing the turns nice and slow, and because I already framed it beforehand, it lets me take my time and do wider turns, and they're not so tight, and which will allow me to do smoother turns that will help to maintain the long-term health of the property. And here we are, just taking our time, letting the mower mulch the leaves and discharge them. There we go, and then the person with the blower is just blowing off any remaining leaves. So the hand that I'm using to hold the camera is also the hand that I use to manage the basket. So that's why you're gonna see that crazy yank of the camera whenever I try to open the basket. Um, it may not be pleasant to view, but it was the best that I could do at the moment. But yeah, looking back now, I see that it's a pretty aggressive movement for the camera. Hopefully the next time we do a video of this style again, we'll kind of be more conscious of how we're managing the camera and how it's working. But these kind of videos are kind of fun because it's more of a POV, and you get to see more of like what we're looking at when we're doing our mowing work, and especially working with these leaves. And here we go, coming up on the last turn. We're coming up on the last lines that we're going to be doing. And right here, As you can see, even that we're facing the dirty side, I have the discharge system closed because the following lines are the side of the neighbors. And obviously we don't want to be rude and leave debris and dirty the side of the neighbors. So whenever we get closer to the neighbor's side, we just leave the basket closed, no matter if it's dirty or clean already. Because we want to be respectful of everyone's property, not just our property or the properties that we work on. We want to be respectful to everyone. So with that, we're just about finishing up. Thank you for watching, and until next time, we hope you enjoyed the video. Here's a final view of the property, and we're pretty happy with the results. So we want to say that we left it pretty clean. So we hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, take care.